Hello and welcome to another video on tips on how to get the most of the island. In this case today we are going to talk about powers. So if you go here to the status section and you go back, you can see all your blue powers, orange powers. You can see now the purples and silvers and gold, they are still to be built, no? And there are here some coming soon. So here you can have some information, and what I've done since I started, I think since I was orange, is making this. So here I have all the blue stated powers, orange, purple, and silvers are still to be made, most of them. So what I did was I copy all the text and I've changed them if the powers have changed, and I've made some information in a color code. So for example, blue, it's something working with experience. This kind of yellow, it's working with coins. These oranges are working with geomons. So if I want to get something related to that, I know which powers I have to focus on. Maybe you don't have all the powers yet, but you can aim to get them in a specific order. For example, in my starters, I went for getting a lot of experience quickly. So that's a selection you have to make, but this is a good way you can do something like this to get this information, or just go here and take a look and think about it. That's it for today. Prime on!